Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating drivers and removing conflicts. First, check your GPU driver version and install the latest release. This fixes many rendering errors. Once done, set Steam launch options to DX11 or DX12 to force a supported renderer, because mismatched APIs cause black screens. Then, disable overlays from Steam, Discord, and GeForce Experience. Overlays inject hooks that can block rendering. By doing these 3 steps now, you eliminate the most common immediate causes and prepare for deeper fixes. Next, you tackle file and display issues that persist. Verify integrity of game files in Steam to repair corrupt assets. Corrupted shaders often produce black screens. Then, toggle display modes. Launch in windowed or borderless to force a compositor redraw, and if stable, switch back to full screen. Also inspect GPU control panel. Set power mode to maximum performance. Disable weird multi-GPU profiles or scaling features like virtual super resolution. These actions correct corrupted configs and driver-level conflicts that finish by cleaning up lingering settings and testing environment. If issues remain, back up your config and reinstall the game to remove stubborn corrupted files. Reinstalling rewrites shaders and binaries. Make sure Windows graphics settings are reset and that DirectX or Vulkan runtimes required by Csgo are present, because missing runtimes can silently fail. If that still fails, try another monitor or perform a clean boot to isolate background apps. One key troubleshooting tip: test in a newly created Windows user account to rule out profile-level corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.